We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the ATHMILE Water Shoes for women and men. These quick-dry aqua socks are designed for a variety of activities, including swimming, beach outings, yoga, exercise, pool use, camping, and other outdoor adventures. The overall consensus from users is that these water shoes offer a comfortable and versatile experience, making them a popular choice for both adults and youth. Many users have praised the ATHMILE Water Shoes for their surprisingly comfortable fit, especially considering their lightweight and minimalist design. The stretchy, breathable fabric conforms well to the foot, providing a snug yet flexible fit that accommodates different foot shapes and sizes. This elasticity ensures that the shoes feel more like a second skin than traditional bulky footwear, which is a significant advantage for activities requiring agility and freedom of movement. A key feature that users appreciate is the quick-drying material. The fabric efficiently absorbs moisture and allows rapid evaporation, which means your feet stay dry and comfortable even after prolonged exposure to water. This quick-dry capability also helps prevent common issues like blisters or fungal infections that can arise from damp footwear. Many reviewers mention how the shoes dry fast enough to be used repeatedly throughout the day without discomfort. The slip-resistant sole is another highlight. The rubber sole is designed with a tread pattern that enhances grip on wet and slippery surfaces, making these shoes safe for walking on rocky beaches, pool decks, and even jungle trails. One user recounted taking these shoes on a cruise where an excursion was canceled, leading to a 4-hour hike through the jungle in Belize. Despite not being orthopedic shoes, the user was surprised by the lack of foot pain after the hike, and even wore them comfortably while exploring Mayan ruins the next day. This story underscores the shoe's decent quality and suitability for various outdoor environments. Versatility is a recurring theme in the reviews. People have used the ATHMILE Water Shoes for swimming, beach walks, yoga sessions, and casual outdoor activities. The barefoot design allows wearers to enjoy the sensation of walking naturally while still protecting their feet from sharp objects, hot sand, or slippery surfaces. This makes them ideal for those who want protection without sacrificing the barefoot feel. On the downside, some users note that the shoes may not provide enough arch support for individuals with specific foot conditions. They are not designed to be orthopedic or to replace specialized footwear for those with serious foot problems. Additionally, a few users found the size chart confusing, which led to ordering the wrong size initially. It is recommended to carefully check the sizing guide before purchasing to ensure the best fit. The construction quality is generally regarded as good for the price point. The shoes weigh only about 2.4 ounces and come in a compact package, making them easy to pack for travel. While not as rugged as some high-end water shoes with reinforced stitching or heavy-duty soles, the ATHMILE shoes hold up well under typical use and provide sufficient protection for most casual to moderate outdoor activities. Maintenance is simple. Rinsing them with fresh water after use, especially after exposure to sand or salt water, helps keep them in good condition. Air drying is recommended to preserve the material and avoid any unpleasant odors. In summary, the ATHMILE Water Shoes for women and men are an excellent value for anyone looking for lightweight, quick-drying, and comfortable water footwear. They excel in providing a barefoot experience with adequate protection and grip for a wide range of activities. Whether you are heading to the beach, pool, yoga studio, or embarking on light hikes, these shoes are a reliable companion. If you own a pair of these ATHMILE Water Shoes, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to purchase is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Your feedback is valuable to the community and helps improve future recommendations.